How to create a beautiful PDF book cover. So one thing that you can use to create your own design for your PDF book cover is Canva. Canva is a website that helps you design everything from posts, flyers, stories, resumes, magazine covers, banners, logos, and even presentations. You can use other editing platforms for this, any platform that you know how to use, but if you're starting from zero and you have no experience in graphic design, Canva is an easy and accessible tool that you can use and is available for free. Now, to use Canva, simply click on Create a Design. Here you will be able to choose or customize the dimensions of your book cover. Determine the dimensions for your book cover based on the platform where you'll be publishing the book. Standard sizes are typically around 6 by 9 inches for novels, but make sure to check the guidelines of your publishing platform. The most common platform is the Amazon KDP. You can use this website called KDP Cover Calculator to get the margins and the exact size that you should make in order to make your book cover the right size. Once you have the correct size of your book, the next thing to do is to understand the content of your book. Before you start designing, make sure you understand the essence of your book. What is its genre, mood, and theme? This will help you create a cover that resonates with the content. Let's say that I will be designing a book full of healthy food recipes. From there, I'll be deciding on the color palette, the main object, the title, the text that will be on my book cover. It is important to have the right genre, right mood, and right theme on your book cover because a well-designed cover that accurately reflects the genre, mood, and theme of the book helps set the right expectations of the readers. If the cover doesn't match the content, the readers may be disappointed and feel misled. For example, of course, it is not right to have animal vectors on my food book cover. Now, once you have decided on your theme, the next step is to gather resources. Find or create high-resolution images related to your book's theme, characters, or setting. You can use AI generating tools. You can shoot your own photo or you can draw it yourself, or you can pay other artists to make your photo. Just make sure that you don't steal photos online. I have here an AI generated image of vegetables, so I will use this. Next is to find fonts that match the tone of your book. Serif fonts often work well for traditional genres, while sans serif fonts can be more modern. In Canva, there are already readily available font combinations, but you can also use Pinterest or Google or any search engine to find more font combinations to use. Just make sure that you are using readable, clean, and bold fonts. Moving on to the layout of the design elements. First is the background. Start with a background image or a background color that sets the tone of your book. In my case, my image is already full page, so I will use this as my background. After background is the title and the author name. I will use this combination from Canva to type in my title. So just add a heading, type in your title. Let's say that my title is Healthy Food Recipes. After typing that in, adjust its placement and then click here to choose your font, if ever you're going to change it. Next thing that you can add to improve your PDF book cover is to add a subtitle or a tagline. This will attract more readers just by looking at your cover. Another element you can use is graphics or icons. You can use graphical elements that enhances the design, but just make sure that don't overcrowd the cover. If ever you're using Canva, you can go to the tab here on the left side and then click on elements. Here, once you search a keyword, stickers, images, and shapes that you can use is readily available in here. For example, I want vegetable graphics. I'll just type that in, and as you can see, here are the results that I can use. Just make sure that you're not using stickers or images with crown icon in Canva if you are using the free version. Now, since I want a minimalist book cover, I will not add any stickers and graphics, but you can freely add some if you want to. Now, the last thing to consider in your book cover is the spacing. Make sure that your design has proper spacing and alignment. The elements of your book cover should be balanced and not cluttered. Once you have your design finalized, save your cover as PDF or PNG. In my case, I'll save it as PNG. After that, this is not a required step, but this could help in marketing your book if ever you're selling it online. Consider creating a 3D mock-up of your book cover just to showcase it in a realistic context. Again, this can be particularly useful for marketing. You can use this site, diybookcovers.com/3D mockups for an easier way. In here, click on the book design and then choose 3D mockups. In here, just choose what angle or what placement you want. Tap on it and then proceed to the next button. In this page, click on upload and then choose the image that we edited a while ago. Click on the upload button. Now just wait, for this may take a while. And once it's loaded 100%, click on next. Once you're in here, scroll down and then choose if you want a PNG or JPEG version of your mockup. And then after clicking on one, it will immediately download. And as you can see, the layout is now printed on the 3D mockup of the book. You can then adjust any details that you might not like from here. Keep in mind that the cover is often the first impression your book makes, so take your time to create something that effectively captures the essence of your work. If the design isn't your strong suit, consider hiring a professional graphic designer to bring your vision to life. So that is how to create a beautiful PDF book cover. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.